Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can change the Windows 11 desktop wallpaper. So how to do that, let me show you. You need to right click on the Windows 11 desktop and go to personalized option. And in order to change the Windows 11 background, make sure your window is up to date. If your window is not up to date, you should not able to change the background apps, background colors and all the things. Okay, so you need to click on this option which says background. Once you click on the background apps, you can see all the options here. If you want to click on this option which says pictures, the inbuilt Windows 11 picture should be showing up. Let's say if this is the current desktop I have, so I want to change it to this, so simply click on that option and that should be changed. Okay, so these are 4 to 5 options, you can choose them. If you want to choose as per your choice from your windows, so you can click on browse photos, and for example I'm going to choose any one of the options here like this and choose papers. So once you have chosen this option, as you can see here, the wallpaper is chosen as per your choice. So this is the second method. Okay, if you want to choose another options and want to slide the different on your windows, so you click on pictures and click on slideshow, and then you can click on this option which says browse, and you can choose the folder where you have saved the pictures on your windows, and you can change the picture every time to as per your choice, every 6 hour, 1 day, or whatever you want. So this is the second. Okay, also you can click on slideshow options and you can choose here the solid options. Like if you want to go with the solid colors here like this or like this, you can choose them as well without any wallpaper. You can use them easily. See, the background should be showing up here like this, but the wallpaper is showing like this. And if you want to let it on your Windows way, Windows Spotlight, just click on that option and the default option will be selected automatically here. Or also you can choose the lock screen. If you want to choose that, what will be showing on your Windows lock screen, so you can browse picture, or even you can choose the slideshow here, Windows Spotlight, and the picture will be changing automatically here. And also this is the Windows personalized lock. So I hope guys, after applying these methods, you should able to change your desktop wallpaper. So I hope this video helps you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you, thanks for watching.